Hello everyone. So today we're going to start something called function notation. So function notation is like you have, y equals 2x plus 5 like a regular equation, but instead of y, we replace that with f of x. Okay, so instead of y equals something, we have f of x, or f as a function of x, equals an equation, 2x minus 9, for an example. Okay? You could use a different letter. You might see h of x equals x squared plus 7. Okay? And then we can evaluate these functions for different values of x. So this is going to be the notes, which you must copy. And then at the end, I'll write some for you guys to do. So let's say we have f of 3, h of negative 7, f of negative 10, and h of 8. Okay, so what's going to happen is f of 3, I'm going to plug in 3 for x on the f function, not the h function, because that says f. So we're going to have 2, and now instead of x, notice this color change, we're going to replace x with 3. Okay, so we have 2 times 3 minus 9. Okay, that's going to equal 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Oops, that's it. That's your answer. Your answer is negative 3. Okay. H of negative 7. I'm going to plug in negative 7 in for x. So I'm going to have negative 7 squared, I'll show that in black, plus 7. Negative 7 squared is the same as 7 times 7, which is 49. 49 plus 7 is 56. F of negative 10 works the same way. We're going back to the f function now. So we have 2. Now instead of x, we have negative 10 minus 9. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Minus 9, they're both negative. It's going to get me negative 29. And finally, h of 8. We have 8 squared, okay, plus 7. 8 squared is 64, plus 7 is 71. All right, and notice how I'm putting these squared functions in parentheses, because some calculators, if you don't, it will screw up the negatives. So like if you don't put that negative 7 in parentheses, it's actually going to spit out negative 49, and that is incorrect. Okay, so make sure you put these in parentheses. I would just get in the habit of doing it each and every time. So what I want you guys to do for you is, let's see, we're going to have a g function. We'll have g of x equals, let's try x squared minus 10. And let's have a b function. It doesn't like the letter b. B of x equals 7x plus, let's throw in a 2-digit number here, 18. Okay. And what you guys have to figure out is you guys have to figure out g of 3, b of negative 6. Okay, watch your negatives on that one. G of negative 4 and b of 2. So they're the ones for you to do. I would space these out probably a little bit better so you can, you know, do your workout. Don't cram them in right nice and big. And so you have to copy this. If you want to pause, make sure that's copied. And then you have to do that one on your own. Okay, not too much today. We're going to do a lot more of this week.